Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys one more unboxing, and that's going to be the Apple Watch Series 4, which was released alongside the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. If you haven't watched those unboxing videos that went live today, links in the description. This is going to be the Apple Watch Series 4 space gray casing with the black sport band, 44 millimeters, and now there's a 40 millimeters and a 44 millimeters, unlike previous generations 38 and 42, and that is because Apple pushed the screen out towards the edges a little more, so the screen size is bigger, but the actual Apple Watch remains relatively the same size, and it's also thinner. So let's get right into the box here, the unboxing. You see here this really cool tab. It looks a little different than before. I guess you can peel it off like that. I kind of messed that up, I think. But let's get into the box. Here we go. So flip this open. This open. This is a relatively different box than before. Oh, that's it. Oh, it's pretty cool. I really like what they did there with the Apple Watch box. It looks very, very cool. Take a look at that. Just the box itself looks really nice. It's pretty cool. A bunch of Apple Watches there. So here is the actual box inside of the box. You see the Apple Watch there, right in front and center. In the back, you get some details of what's inside, and the bands now are in a separate case by themselves. So I kind of like that better. Let's go with the bands here first. You guys already pretty much know what they look like. It's going to be the same ones I had last year. So let's get in here quickly. Some paperwork. And then some instructions. And that's it. Apple Watch bands. We all know what they look like. Different sizes for different wrist sizes. So let's get into the Apple Watch unboxing. Okay, here we go. First time opening up an Apple Watch Series 4. So it looks very nice. As always, designed by Apple in California. What do we have in here? Some instructions on how to use the Apple Watch. Okay, we'll do that. And we have the charging brick and the actual charging cable there. So that's that. Look at the Apple Watch. How cool is this? Look at that little mini case. This was not here before. This was not something that Apple would ship before with Apple Watches. It says there 44 millimeters. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a really nice little pouch here. The Apple Watch comes in, so slide it out, take it out of the box, boom, there it is. Look at the new back, which I'm going to be testing. The Apple Watch will receive a software update, which will make it even better, but wow, it's a really nice design. They actually moved the speakers all to one side, and on the right, now right beside the digital crown, you have the microphone. So supposedly Siri will be a lot louder on this new Apple Watch, and you can hear things a lot better. So let's go ahead and set it up quick. Okay, so Apple Watch is ready to go. Let's go ahead and start pairing it. Simple as that. You just hold it next to your iPhone, hit continue, and then you do this. Voila. Simple as that, and it'll start pairing your Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and set up the watch bands as that setup process continues. One thing I did want to mention here through the setup process, this new Apple Watch right here gives you some low heart rate notifications and high heart rate notifications. The Apple Watch is done right there. It's already paired, ready to go. As you see here, Siri is now activating for whatever reason. But look at the size of the screen, how much bigger it is on Apple Watch Series 4 and compared to Series 3. It's just, look at all these compilations. I have so much information in this little space, but yet it doesn't look compact or too busy, which I like. And there's more watch faces, of course, that I can swipe through just like that. And the digital crown, I've noticed when you go through pages like this, it gives you this feedback, which is really, really cool. I like that a lot. And it's thinner. It feels lighter and thinner at the same time. As you can see there, it is thinner. It's a lot more comfortable, if you will. I think that's the right word to use. A lot more comfortable, and the screen's just massive, although the form factor didn't really change much. But there you guys have it, just a really quick unboxing and a first look at Apple Watch Series 4. Of course, more videos coming your way, testing water and all that good stuff with the new Apple Watch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.